Let's take a look at the interface now. This is what you will see once you are logged in. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Keyword Tool. There are only two tabs here. When you save a keyword, it moves to this tab labeled Saved Keywords. The basic plan allows access only to the keyword tool. You can't access the rank checker or the keyword brainstorming tool, but that's alright as we only need the keyword tool and nothing else. As mentioned earlier, we are using keyword revealer only to check keyword difficulty and nothing else. We will be using another tool to generate keyword lists. Keyword difficulty is a measure of how hard it will be to rank for a given keyword in the organic search results. Any keyword you want to check the difficulty score for, you need to type into the text box here. And you need to choose the location. We will choose United States. Let's type in best golf balls. Now, take a look at these filters here. There are 5 filters you can apply: a keyword filter, cost per click, average monthly searches, estimated potential earnings, and the number of words. For Amazon affiliate sites, the most commonly used phrases usually begin with best or end in reviews. Entering either of those words into the keyword filter will display only those results that have those words in them. As for this one, average monthly searches, the easiest keywords are usually those with a search volume of less than 500. That is 500 searches a month. And as the number of words increases, the keyword difficulty goes down. It is usually easier to rank phrases with 5 or more words and nearly impossible to rank for a single word. You really can't rank for golf unless you are a Fortune 500 company. But you might be easily able to rank for something like best golf balls for seniors. Now, let's take a closer look at the results. The first phrase here, best golf balls, is the one we searched for. It has 8,100 searches a month. This is the combined search volume across Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and not just Google. Now, take a look at this column labeled Keyword Difficulty. Click on the blue button that says Evaluate. The tool computes the keyword difficulty for that particular keyword. Let's click the button. It's processing now. Okay, now the results are here. It says the difficulty level is 39. Now, take a look at this section which indicates on-page SEO competition among the top 10 results. You can see whether the keyword is in the URL, title, description, and H1 tags. Ideally, we want to target keywords with competition level, that is keyword difficulty, below 23, and we want to see only no everywhere here. And we want to see at least a couple of sites with domain authority around 20 or less with almost no backlinks in the top 10. That would mean the phrase is very easy and we can rank easily. In the next video, we will take a look at the other tool we use, which is perhaps the best tool for keyword research.